Hi, Pidgin English Coach here. New video. Today I want to talk about Pidgin English word that we use, or phrase that we use that is very popular. It's early momo, early momo. It means early in the morning. So if someone says, "When are you going to the office?" Early momo. At the go office, early momo. That's early in the morning. So you can use that talking to your friends, talking to anybody at all, right? So that's it for today. Early momo. I will go out now. Early momo, eh? See you another time. Don't forget, you can get the complete audio training on how to speak Pidgin English A to Z. It's very comprehensive. Click the link in the description box. You can also get on my email list so I can send you Pidgin English lessons and videos via your email. Then don't forget, you can get the Kindle book for the Pidgin English uh, book. That's also very helpful. All right, till I see you another time, eh? Day well, happy weekend. Eh? No, no find trouble. Oh. You understand that I talk? All right, see ya.